morning guys, it's Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a vlog for you. It's 9:20. I've just come back from the supermarket. I dropped off Alex and then went to Morrison's to just pick up a few bits. So I'm going to show you what I got. So I got some eggs, some crumpets, some basmati rice. I've never tried the Morrison's brand. Little box of kitten food, sorry, cat food. Some sausages, some chicken, some soya milk for Paul, some ham, some digestives and some nice biscuits, and then 2 boxes of mini breadsticks and a loaf of bread. Hey guys, so a couple of weeks ago I put up a giveaway for some glasses from FIRMOO, and the deadline for it was the 20th of January. So today is the 22nd. So what I've done is I've written in pieces of paper. So you can see not a lot of you entered, which means that the ones that did have got a really high chance of winning. So I wrote down all the names, scrunched up the papers. I'm gonna give it a little shake. There's no way I know which one is which. And I'm just gonna pick one for you guys now. I'm gonna pick this one and I'm gonna try and open it and show you. So the winner is, it is Nova Scotia Living. Tracey, you have won the free glasses. I'm going to email you and send you all the details. So I've just emailed Tracey from Nova Scotia Living, so she will be so pleased, I hope. Anyway, it's already 10:30. I am trying to get as much done as I can. I need to put away all these clothes, and I also want to try and clean the bathroom before I go out to work at just after 11:30. So let's get going. Okay, so bathroom clean and smelling lovely, and I'm going to do a load of towels and wash the mat, and that's just some rubbish. Hey guys, so I am just back from work. My hair is a hot mess. I'm gonna have something to eat. I'm making some eggs, and yes, I'm gonna have a little sit down, and then I have to make dinner for tonight. I'm gonna make pizza dough because I have some leftover chicken, tiny little bit, and some leftover ham and some fresh mozzarella that needs to be taken care of, and we haven't had pizza in ages, so I thought, why not? I'll do that for tonight. Yeah, but mainly I'm just going to chill out. Hey guys, so I'm in my car. I'm waiting by Alex's school to pick him up. He shouldn't be too long. I'm sorry, the vlog today has been a bit rubbish. I've just got someone looking at me really weirdly because I'm talking to my camera. But anyway, I wondered if you guys have noticed that I've changed the days that I publish my videos. I now do it on a Tuesday and Thursday, and that's my new setup for now. I've been trying different days to see if impacts, how many views I get. And basically I found that I think that by publishing around 5 o'clock, I managed to catch the UK people just coming home from work and the Americans just getting up, and the Canadians, or you know, on that side of the world. So I hope you guys don't mind me changing things around, but yeah, so that's the update. I am now gonna sit here and play Candy Crush until it's time to get Alex, which is not long anyway, so I'll catch up with you guys once I'm back at home. So here is our pizza. I literally just had a tiny little bit of chicken, some little bits of ham left. The green stuff is olives that I had that needed to be used up as well, and then I had a bowl of mozzarella cheese which I've just pulled apart and it's ready to go in the oven. I used passata as the tomato sauce, and then on top of the passata I put this spice mix, which is a pizza mix. I got this I think from B&M. My friend told me it was really good, so I've just used that and it's looking pretty smashing, so I can't wait to try it. I hope today's vlog hasn't been too boring for you guys, but saying that, I've got some news for you, which is we are moving this summer. Well, it looks like we are moving this summer. It's never 100% until you've got like a moving order in your hand, but I would say it's probably like 80% right now. So they said it's happening, but we'll see. So throughout these few months in my channel, you guys can expect a lot of decluttering, because as you guys know, this is military housing. We have no idea what type of house we'll get when we move again, and we have settled into this house really well, so we've expanded. So yeah, stay tuned because there'll be a lot of stuff coming up. So here's the pizza. It looks so yum. I'm just gonna serve it with a salad I made, and by salad I mean salad that I put in onto a plate from a bag.